Python is king of quick scripts. Or it was. Today I'm ditching Python. I will show you how to run C# without a project, without a solution, and without the mess. By the end of this video, your C# will feel fast as Python. Let's explore. Usually C# asks for a solution, a project, and a folder structure. Not anymore. Create a file, call it hello.cs. One line of code, no main method, no template. Just run it. And boom! Look at the folder. No bin, no object, no DLL trash. The compile does everything in memory. It runs and vanishes. Okay, printing text is boring. Python win because of pip install, right? Well, watch this. We can inject NuGet packages directly in the file using the packages directive. You must specify the version. Run it again. .NET restores the packages instantly and executes. It feels like scripting, but with full C# type safety. Let's do some real work. Parsing a CSV file. Normally you would need a heavy setup. Here, just add a CsvHelper. Did you notice I didn't write system.io? Global using are on by default. It reads the file, parses the records, and you get full IntelliSense in vscode. Why leave the IDE if you don't have to? Scripts are cool, but this is illegal. We can run a full ASP.NET Core Web API from this single file. Reference the Web SDK and build the app. 4 lines of code, a full web server, perfect for webhooks, mocking APIs or microservices. No project file needed. We went from hello world to a web API in under 5 minutes without a single .csproj file. The barrier to entry for C# is gone. Try it out. The code in the description. Subscribe for more .NET magic. Bye.